Hey everyone. Okay, so I'm back in the robe, back in the same place I was last time, and we are gonna talk about the Spotlight Concealer. So I have just about done all my makeup, and that's part of the camera. I thought I had a bug on my forehead. I am going to now add the Spotlight under my eyes to give an extra pop of light. And I know that it looks like, sorry, someone's texting me. I know it looks like I already have the lightness, but that is the glow. So I've done all my makeup. So this is gonna go like right here. You don't need a lot, okay? And then I'm gonna take my finger, and you can see a little goes a long way. I might even put a little bit more on that side. It's hard to do this in the camera. So I like to go on the side of my nose, and I'm using these 3 fingers because when you already are using one and it gets enough product, it's hard to blend if it, now I'm using my pinky, so I guess I use all 5 fingers. But like I said, this is very difficult to do. Very difficult to do in the phone. So I went to the other hand at this point because all of my right hand was filled with product, and I must have put too much on because I literally can't see. But you could see this extra pop right there. It's like a brightening, highlighting. You don't need a lot. So maybe even that much, because, and you can always add more, but this is very pigmented and you don't want to go too crazy with it. But I do tend to do that because I like that really light bright under my eye. It's not exactly even. I literally can't see. But many people were asking for another robe tutorial, so here you go for the Spotlight. Okay, so this should not take this long. It's just A, I can't see, which I've said 35 times, and B, I don't even know what B is. Okay, I'm glad everyone finds this always amusing. So try to blend that part in by your nose a little bit for sure. It should look more like that side. You can even go down just a little bit. I like to do just the middle of my nose. Everything's pressing and patting. Sorry about my nails, they look horrible. Okay, and you can even go right here. I already had highlighted my face a little bit with glow, so that's why that is why it already kind of looks highlighted, because I was trying to just leave off where the last video was. So I always like to go right there. So, but you could tell that this is just going to be an extra brightness. And you can put it on, I do have it over the powder, but if you're dry, I would not recommend that. I would put it on after the foundation. And then just don't set right here with the powder when you go on top of it, because I don't like to ever set powder under my eyes. I like to leave it light and bright. So like I said, this is just an extra pop of brightness, which is why it's called Spotlight. Let's see. You can see where the light reflects. It's really pretty. It's like a white pink. It's paraben free, hypoallergenic. It has mineral bases in it.